Let's get into the coon, coochie, badussi, vag, kitty, vajayjay, fanny, vagine, flower, twat, downstairs, lady garden, nunu, doo-dah, punani, or the funniest I've heard, beef curtains. Our lady friend needs her days of TLC so she can be the queen she's meant to be. If you haven't given her any attention today, let me inspire you on how to perfect your vagina. Physically, she hides away in, I hope to God, your comfy, breathable panties, but let's be clear, we toss Miss Coochie in some strings from time to grind and impress. Let's take care of Miss Kitty today, starting off with a gentle cleanse. Always, and I mean always, use a soap such as She, gently fragrant, pH balancing, natural, and no kitty but mine be tested on. We love a cruelty-free product to prepare your skin's canvas for a deeper penetration of all the beneficial products to follow. Exfoliate to get slowly ate? You're funny, Lexine. Let's begin with this clean and clinical scrub to remove any dead skin cells to prevent further clogging of the pores that could potentially dilate with the heat from the steaming in our next step. The combination of a chemical peel and microdermabrasion works physically and chemically to purify the skin to its silkiest. Applied to dry skin, gently massaged with fingertips, rinse and pat dry, my doodah rejoices from the alpha, poly, and beta hydroxy acids for renewing her. This step is super important to prevent hair breakage during hair removal, resulting in faster regrowth due to the grip on the skin's dirt and debris rather than the hair. Cleansed and exfoliated, we're ready for the supreme steam clean. Steam is going to release the trapped sebum within your pores, ingrown hairs, promote circulation, collagen and elastin production, and allows deeper penetration of the products to follow. I let her cook up for about 15 minutes. 10 minutes in, I love applying this ingrown treatment mask to draw out the unwanted bits from my pores. Infused with sea and Moroccan clay, wild casturi turmeric, and vitamin C, my fanny is loving its detoxification, exfoliation, soften and brighten skin, and best of all, tighten pores. Kitty now takes a nap because tomorrow we are waxing her from furry kitty to sphinx kitty. Thanks to Tress Wellness for sponsoring this portion of today's video with their new Bikini Star Hard Wax Beads. Perfectly formulated for sensitive skin like moi. I love a tough on hair, soft on skin product that effortlessly removes the mane my nunu grows so obnoxiously frequently. I prefer her Brazilian, ball, and silky smooth like I was fresh out of the badussi. With each and every rip and tear of this certified skin-safe, cruelty-free, crafted from natural ingredients bikini wax, the feeling is like no other. I love seeing my unwanted hairs uprooted from its follicle, leaving behind butter perfection. I am so looking forward to less and finer regrowth and my final goodbyes to this gorilla patch itchiness. Immediately after, I go in with LED light therapy, starting off with red to reduce scarring, acne, redness, and the overall improvement of the skin's appearance, followed up with blue light, which activates chemicals inside the bacteria, rupturing and destroying the cells, causing acne and other imperfections. Can my nunu get any better? She sure can with this lightening serum to even and tone her up. A pump of this in every nook and cranny of my punani to brighten up her melanin. With natural plant extracts such as kojic acid developed from rice and mushrooms, it reduces the appearance of discoloration up to 3 shades lighter. Mulberry extract from the mulberry leaf is clinically proven to improve skin health and slow the production of tyrosinase, which causes dark pigmentation by 50%. Radiant, fresh, and youthful, my flower garden is now. Let's hydrate her and put her to rest, or use if he requests, after a long pampering session, using this delectable shea and mango butter infused with clove, chamomile, tea tree, rosemary, and lavender oils. I butter her up to slippery, supple hydration. She's happy, I'm happy, and he's definitely happy. I know y'all loved today's video and are scurrying to perfect your vagina. Thank me later because she's about to be perfect. As always, love Lexine.